Westinghouse WGR050NG076 97% high-efficiency gas water heater with natural gas. Westinghouse is a highly reputed company well known for producing highly efficient gas water heaters using the most cutting-edge technology. The Westinghouse WGR050NG076 model is one of the 50-gallon gas water heaters that manufacturers have built as a tank type, which makes use of condensing technology. This heater's unique design allows it to generate hot water with an incredible 97% energy efficiency. This makes it eligible for rebates and Energy Star compliance. Moreover, the stainless steel finish of this heater provides a very aesthetically appealing look while ensuring that the unit has a long life. Furthermore, the heat exchanger and the stainless steel tank also make the Westinghouse heater resistant to corrosion and maintenance-free. This is one of the most innovative 50-gallon water heaters on the market. By providing advanced electronics for easy diagnostics, control, and troubleshooting, the Westinghouse WGR050NG076 gas water heater model is among the most inventive 50-gallon heaters available. You can also select an Eco mode by controlling the temperature from the heater's LCD display. The Eco setting allows the heater to utilize a minimal amount of fuel, which saves costs and energy. Although this water heater is powered by gas, a great thing about it is that it releases limited nitrogen oxide emissions. Thanks to its 2-inch thick insulation, the tank stocks heat and prevents heat loss by using less energy. It comes fitted with a combustion control system that keeps nitrogen oxide levels as low as possible. Now for some pros. 1. Flexible installation and lightweight. 2. Stainless steel design ensures long-lasting operation. And 3. The LCD display is easy to use. Now for a couple of cons. 1. Occasional ignition issues. And 2. Considerably loud.